Hello people, and how are you doing today? If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and to my subscribers, thank you for sticking with me. If you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the yummy juices and smoothies we'll be sharing on this channel. We usually share tips, tricks to lose weight, to help you achieve a glowing skin and help you in your health generally. So remember to subscribe and invite your friends and family to join this family. Today's juice is a very nutritious juice, a juice that will help you glow, a juice that will enhance your skin, a juice that will improve the texture of your skin, a juice that will detoxify your system, detoxify every and remove all waste toxins from your body. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So the first ingredient we'll be using for this yummy juice is oranges. These are 3 oranges. I've peeled off the skin already because we are going to juice them. This is not a smoothie. We are going to juice them. So I've removed the skin already. We are using 3 oranges for this juice. This juice contains high amounts of vitamin C that helps to enhance your skin. It makes your skin glow. It removes all harmful toxins from your body. It contains high amounts of fiber, so it will help keep you full while cleansing your system at the same time. So I'm just going to cut it. So after cutting it into tiny bits, we are going to set it aside. The next ingredient we'll be using for this juice are carrots. Carrots are packed filled with beta carotene, and you know what beta carotene does to your skin? It makes your skin glow. It provides nutritious benefits to your overall health. So we'll be using carrots. The ingredient we'll be using for this juice is apple, 1 red apple. Apple, we all know, keeps a doctor away. 1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple is packed full with powerful nutrients that is beneficial to your health. The next ingredient we'll be using for this juice is beetroot. This is beetroot. Beetroots are packed filled with powerful nutrients. They improve your exercise stamina. They prevent cancer. They are a good source of potassium. They help you maintain healthy weight. They help to lower your blood pressure. So we are going to use half of the beetroot. It's a large beetroot, so I'm going to cut it into equal half. You can decide to use a complete beetroot, but for this, personally, I just want to use half for it. So the quantity of the ingredients is not restrictive. I'm using half for mine. This is what beetroot looks like. It's red inside. So we're going to set it aside. Then the half we intend using, we are going to cut it into little sizes. Cutting it into little quantities. We're going to set it aside. The next ingredient we'll be using for this juice is ginger. Ginger helps your bowel movement. It helps to ease indigestion. It removes excess toxins from the body. So we are going to use 1 inch of ginger. The next ingredient we'll be using is turmeric. We all know turmeric. It's orange. It has an orange color inside. I prefer leaving the skin because it contains healing properties. Turmeric is powerful. It helps your skin glow. It removes all excess toxins from your body. So we're going to use 2 inches of turmeric. So it's now time to juice. So far we have juiced the orange and the carrot. So it's now time to put the beetroot. After juicing it, this is what we got from that ingredient, the quantity of the ingredients we used. So let's try it out. So refreshing. Very, very refreshing. Please try out this recipe. I know you're going to love it. Try out this recipe and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your family and friends. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. Thank you very much. Bye.